Okay, the Delapena SpeedHone has been around for 91 years. It's the flagship product of the company. Even today it's used in automotive, hydraulics, aerospace, and even the ceramics industry. The EAS SpeedHone is the latest variant of the SpeedHone series. It was designed for industry requirements for health and safety, for speed, for ease of setup. It's only got 13 screens, a very simple machine to set up. The manual setting is used for setup primarily, or even if you've just got a one-off part to make. The semi-automatic function is quite a unique function. It's for when you have a component with an out-of-shape bore, you can come in on the foot pedal nice and slow and feather it in. This saves tool life and also saves the mandrel as well. The automatic function, as it suggests, automatically, so when you've got the application set right, it's all running okay, the operator simply just presses the green button and away you go. Key benefits, the first one is obviously the simplistic setup. You know, the 13 screens, stepping through each screen individually until you set the program up. This can be done in 10 to 15 minutes. Secondly, safety. It's a fully interlock guard. So with today's legislation, with people holding hands-on spindles, we now fully interlock the guards so the operator's safe. It's a very compact machine. It can be moved around with a pallet truck around the shop, so it can be a subsequent process to a main machining process. And the fourth benefit is the Siemens compatibility, where if a customer has an issue with the machine, we can dial in over the Wi-Fi and interrogate the machine to see what the issues are. We've had some fantastic feedback. One customer had some semi-skilled operators who weren't that familiar with the honing process. Within a day they're up and running and they can set their own programs. Okay. And to give you another example, one of our customers was taking 3 weeks to hone a batch of aerospace parts. He can comfortably produce that batch of aerospace parts within 8 hours on one shift now. Another customer of ours, more recently, was internally grinding a small bush. It was taking 3 minutes and he ran out of capacity. He can comfortably hone the same component on our EAS SpeedHone within 30 seconds. Some of the applications for small one-off or small batch production where people are constantly changing the machine over and not doing long production runs. Industries, aerospace, hydraulic, servo valves, that's a big application for this machine, where you have out-of-shape balls and it can straighten them, ceramics, steels, any material you can think of. So on the sales side, we've sold these machines into America, into Asia, all around the world. The beauty of it is it's very simple to learn. We can dial in if the customer's got problems. Servicing is very straightforward.